Okay, oil, specifically WTI. Well, we've pretty much had this. This oil has been very technical this year. Lots of swing line setups we talked about. Just making lower highs and lower lows. A lot of little lessons. I mean, when you make a lower high here, after a lower high here and lower lows, there's a good chance that you make a lower low. So that's what we got down here. You're supposed to cover. And we've slowly started fading this again. But this was kind of the area I thought we could get back to, 46, 47. Even all the way back to 50. Really, guys, as long as we're below here, I'm going to look to work into more of a short. Just depending on how high we get, I'll get more aggressive. Nice move up on the daily cycle. You could see we're oversold. The cycle is low. Now we're back towards levels where I want to start shorting futures, and actually I think I'm going to do some of that right now. So this is setting up for another lower high. We got the 200 on the 4 hours up here. Again, this is not level specific. Like if you only want to wait to sell the 200, good chance you miss. Same thing with pi. So I just look at this as a whole area to short. And then we also have our wall concept, right? About halfway. So this is kind of the first spot to kind of sink our teeth back into it. So I'm going to start shorting some oil features here. I like that we're overbought on the 4 hour. Natural gas. I think it's interesting we held pi on natty gas, then you failed at the 200, the underside of it. A lot of traders are going to have that chart, or that level. A lot of traders are going to have that. You break it, come back down, you retest it and fail. So I would say between pi here, which nobody has pi on their chart, but between pi and the 200 now, natural gas is kind of trapped. And gasoline trades like oil. I'm supposed to be shorting that up here, 155, top of the bands, about halfway up of the wall. Boom. So I like getting more core short, guys. Oil again. We covered into the lows. Get the signals on here. So started shorting, flat, got reshorted, covered in the lows, bought a few puts, started buying puts again. So this was covering the futures and buying just a few out of the money puts to stay core short in case we tested 40. Didn't give that much back on the move up. Now it's time to start shorting again. Start shorting futures.